I'm Kendra Sanders with Optimus Real Estate Brokers, and I go out and about into the community and interview local business owners. And today I would like you to meet Victoria, and she's going to tell us a little bit more about her business. So tell me about your business.
Well, my name is Victoria Eden, and I'm an independent life insurance advisor. I've been doing it for 28 years.
Wow, that's awesome.
Yes, it's a very long time to be doing it, but it helps my clients because I really do know how to get people what they need.
That's awesome. So what made you decide to open this business?
Well, when my husband was 34 years old, he had a major medical catastrophe that made him uninsurable.
Oh.
4 years later, he died, and he left me with a little boy to raise and no money. And it's why I feel so passionate about making sure that families are covered. I don't let people get what they don't need, what doesn't fit their budget. I just want to make sure families are covered.
That's wonderful. That's awesome.
Thank you.
Now tell me something that most people don't know about the business.
Well, one of the things that the general buying public doesn't know is there's really huge differences from one company to the next on their rates and their rules.
Okay.
For example, one company will consider a certain number of very high cholesterol and give really high rates, and another company, they don't care. And so if you don't know the rules and the rates for the different companies, like I would as a broker,
Right.
you'll end up paying far too much.
Wow. Wow. So I'm definitely calling you for my own family.
Oh,
so
thank you.
Look forward to get a call from me soon.
Thank you.
Now, what would your customers say they love most about your business?
I would say it's the care and the connection. It's life insurance is such a personal purchase. When you buy that, you're talking about protecting the people you love. And I really get that. And because I've had the financial devastation of being left with a kid and no money, I really, really care that people get what's right for them and that fits their budget. You know, you don't want to get more than you can afford, and a couple years later it's gone. What's the use of that? So the care and the connection, and I just don't let people buy what's wrong for them. And so I become a trusted source.
Right. I love your ethics.
Thank you.
What's something most people don't know about you?
I'm a veteran.
Oh, awesome. Thank you for your service. I did not know that.
You're welcome. Yeah, 40 years ago, I joined the U.S. Army, and I served in the Signal Corps in the Canal Zone. And so it's fairly unusual for women to be veterans, and I don't think anybody would look at me and say, you know, I bet she's a veteran.
I wouldn't have guessed it, but that's awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
What's the most memorable experience you've had working with a customer?
There was a time when there was a man who had bypass surgery, heart bypass surgery, and he really wanted to make sure, he was an older man, he really wanted to make sure his wife was covered.
Okay.
And he'd been told, you're not insurable. And I found him life insurance, and gives me goosebumps. The relief that he felt when I delivered a policy and he knew he was covered,
I bet.
It was just amazing, and it has become my specialty. I can insure young, healthy people. It's a piece of cake.
Right.
But I just insured a lady, and she's 100 pounds heavier than me. She's on cholesterol-lowering medication. She's on high blood pressure medication. She's on antidepressants, and she's a large woman. And she was told she couldn't get insurance, and I insured her. So my specialty is becoming hard to place cases.
Okay.
If I can't find you insurance, nobody can.
Wow. That's an awesome service that you offer.
Thank you. I enjoy it. I really do enjoy this.
I can tell. I can tell. What are some of your favorite things to do in Kennesaw?
Well, I like hiking to the top of Kennesaw Mountain. It's just such a beautiful view up there. That's probably tops on my list, but good restaurants.
Absolutely.
And yeah, that kind of
Okay.
stuff.
Okay. When you go up to Kennesaw Mountain, do you take the street way or do you take the hard way
I
up
do-
the
I-
side with the?
I do a hybrid. I do the hard way up, enjoy the view, and then I take the easy way down.
I do that too. Awesome. So, anything exciting going on that customers should know about?
Probably the most exciting thing is you can hear my passion.
Yes.
And I obviously with 28 years have a lot of experience. Well, what I did is I took all that experience and I put it into a book. And it's called Confessions of a Life Insurance Agent. And it's the 9 inside secrets you must know to slash your premiums. And I've basically written about all the ways you can get ripped off with life insurance and how to make a purchase that's right for you. And I give it away free.
Oh, that's amazing.
Thank you.
That's wonderful. So, how would someone go about contacting you and getting this valuable book for free?
It's pretty easy. You just go to freebookonlifeinsurance.com and there's information about the book. And there's a little form you fill out because it's a physical book and I mail it, so I need to know where you are and your name and that sort of stuff. And if someone does that, I'll send them a free book.
Awesome. Great. It was such a pleasure talking to you today. I want everybody to know that Victoria is an awesome, amazing person who is passionate about her business. Please give her a call so that you can learn more about insurance and your insurance, and let her help you with your insurance needs.
Thank you very much. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you.